Hey, you incredible person. This is Angela Powerhouse Williams. I have a bachelor's degree in finance, a master's in business and accounting. I am also the leader and the vision behind the Lifestyle Changers team, and you need to know me. See, they call me the Scout Queen because I be killing it in the financial markets, and I can literally show you how to grab $100 to $1,000 a day out of the stock, Forex, and futures markets. I'm telling you, I have a trading system that is so simple. Anyone can do it. It doesn't take a lot of time. So what I have done is I have brought my day trading education and experience, and I've partnered with a powerful company called MyEcon. MyEcon is a 16-year-old debt-free financial literacy education company. Why does this matter to you? Listen, you must tie a home-based business to your income for the tax advantages alone. And I want to share 3 reasons with you. Number 1, with the sole proprietorship tax status, you'll be able to keep more of your hard-earned money. Also, you want to make sure that you can protect the profits that you're going to earn when I teach you how to day trade. Number 2, you need more money, period. Because I'm here to tell you, if your only source of income is from a job, you hustling backwards because you don't own it, don't control it, and can lose it at any time. So you have to have a plan A, B, and C in place to build multiple streams of income. And number 3, you got to learn how money works so that you can recession-proof your income, increase your cash flow so that you can invest on a higher level. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you say yes. This is Stacy McClaskey. I taught her how to correctly adjust her W-4, and she was able to unlock an extra $1,120 and put it back into her paycheck, back into her household, and she have over $12,000 a year to be able to invest without selling or recruiting. We have Pastor Josh. He did the same thing as Stacy. He adjusted his W-4. He was able to save over $12,000 cash. We teach you the business tax laws directly from the IRS publications. And we even give you a software called the Cash Flow Manager. It's your record keeping system. It's going to allow you to document your income and your expenses so that you are IRS compliant. You will receive a year-end audit report that you will give to your tax preparer so that you can minimize your tax liability. See, Pastor Josh was able to drop his tax rate from 22% to 12%, and he still got a tax refund check of over $9,000. And he's been with MyEcon for over 3 years, cash flowing over $50,000 without selling or recruiting. This is Melinda Tyson. She did the same thing as Pastor Josh and Stacy. She adjusted her W-4 and she stashed her cash. She now has over 12 months of her living expenses saved, just in case she got laid off from her job without selling or recruiting. We have Alicia Bodie Edwards. She cash flowed over $42,000 without selling or recruiting. She paid off $12,000 in credit card debt and raised her credit score from a 586 to a 756 because she was able to lower her debt utilization ratios. We have Janelle Burns that was able to increase her credit score 211 points because in MyEcon, we're going to teach you how to fix your own credit. So you don't have to pay somebody $500, $1,000, $100 a month. We're going to give you step-by-step education on the 5 factors that are affecting your credit score. We're going to even give you pre-written dispute letters. You don't even have to figure out what to say. We're going to show you how to remove collections, student loans, bankruptcies, and other inaccuracies that are hurting your credit. And let me tell you, these letters take 10 minutes to fill out, and you can get results in the next 45 days. And because of MyEcon's do-it-yourself credit repair system, Janelle was able to increase her credit score to a 762. It doesn't stop here. I'm also going to show you how to become a smart stock investor. See, you will receive stock investing education, complete with fundamental analysis, so that you can screen the financial health of a company before you invest. I'm going to teach you technical analysis so that you can read stock charts and know when to buy a stock at a discounted price and when to ring the cash register. So this is Tanika McGill. She launched her investment portfolio 3 years ago, and she owns Apple, Nike, Amazon, AbbVie, Tesla, and Facebook. And I'm telling you, high double-digit returns, dividends, and even when the markets dropped, she still was in the green. But let me teach you the stock flip game. See, this is Rashad Brown. Rashad opened up his Ameritrade account with over $335,000. How was he able to do that? Well, Rashad is already a millionaire. Yes, millionaires do join my econ. Why? Because it makes financial sense. He wants the power and the knowledge to manage his own money, and millionaires never have enough money. They are always looking for new ways to add new streams of income to their cash flow. So Rashad learned my scalping strategy, and he was able to grow his day trading account to over $385,000. That's almost $50,000 in 3 weeks without selling or recruiting. It pays to know me. You see Stacy McClaskey minding her money, showcasing a six-figure self-managed investment account with the sole purpose to invest her way to millions. You will have access to my powerhouse diversified investment wheel that will give you double-digit returns even in a recession. So Stacy's portfolio made $3,500 in 1 day. She's now able to generate 2 to 4% compound interest every single day. But guess what? Check her out right now. Her portfolio increased by $84,000 to over $281,000 in 1 year. Yeah, she's bad, but I'm not done. I can also teach you how to day trade futures, Forex options, and crypto. Here is Qdonis O'Dunsey. He was able to grab $323 out of the futures market in 10 minutes. We got Jose Delgado. He grabbed $765 in 15 minutes scalping the gold futures. We got Corwin Milan. He used my scalping technique to grab $12,000 out of the futures market in 5 days. There's some people that have to work 3 months to make $12,000, but Corwin, he was able to do it in 5 days. Yeah, you see me. I grabbed $20,000 in a month out of the futures markets, but just this past Monday, I made over $5,000 in 30 minutes, being able to pay all my monthly bills in 1 day. You don't think you need to know me? We have Patricia Faulkner Thomas, who used my scalping strategy to compound her money faster than a bank. She funded her live trading account with $500, and she flipped it to $1,500 in 1 day. She also made $500 in 1 day trading crypto and $3,000 shorting the gold market. She's been able to pull over $10,000 out of the Forex market, which is helping her build her down payment for her first home. And she's also teaching her 13-year-old son, Dylan, how to trade Forex. See, we're breaking generational curses over here. We got DeMar Flowers. I call him the Fibonacci King, having $1,000 day in the Forex market. We got Stacy McClaskey again. Girlfriend got into my econ and she said, listen, I want to know everything I possibly can about this money game. I'm going to apply all these strategies and I'm going to put my money to work because my money should be having babies. So Stacy opened up her live Forex trading account with $2,000 and she flipped to over $6,000 in 5 days. Pastor Josh, he's not playing no games. He made over $2,200 trading both Forex and binary options. Yes, we know how to trade that too. Got Crystal Goldston. She took my options class and she scalped her way to $6,756 in 1 month. No selling, no recruiting. Q is back. He made $809 in 5 minutes, scalping both Forex and options at the opening bell. I also share my trade alerts for crypto whenever I see opportunities. This is me. I made over $18,000 flipping Dogecoin, but I've also made over $60,000 trading crypto this year. I also host stock and sip parties where I look at stock charts and call trades for my guests. Well, Maisha Daniels, she took my Bitcoin alert and she invested $11,000 and flipped it to $51,000. The Wilders, they took that same Bitcoin alert. They took $14,000 from the 401k, bought Bitcoin and flipped it to over $41,000. We got LaJonda. She also took my Tesla buy alert and she invested $2,000 before the stock split. After the stock split and Tesla took off, she was able to make over $26,000. Yes, it pays to know me. Now, I want to introduce you to the king of Forex because what Jose Reyes was able to do for his family in a short period of time is inspiring and mind-blowing. See, Jose said yes to my econ. He joined the Forex class. He practiced the powerhouse scalping strategy every day for 2 months. He opened his live Forex trade account with $2,000. He flipped his account to $5,000, then from $5,000 to $9,500. Then he flipped his account from $9,500 to over $68,000. Now he did this June 5th, and this was last year. Then he flipped that $68,000 to $381,000 in 5 days. I'm gonna say it again. He went from $68,000 to over $381,000 in 5 days. He had only been trading for 2 months, had only been in my econ for 90 days, and changed his whole life to where he didn't even have to trade for the rest of the year. And he broke generational curses and he built wealth for his family, all because he said yes. But we get better. This is Mark Tannum. This is what belief and hard work looks like. He was able to generate $250,000 in 3 days for his family. And he averages anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 a day trading in the Forex market. Now we have the queen of Forex. This is Cinta Toy, who started her live Forex account with $2,000, and then she lost all her money. She did not give up. She refunded her account with $3,000. Then something started to happen. She had a $2,000 day. Then she had a $10,000 day. And then she flipped the $10,000 to $43,000, and then $43,000 to $114,000. That's right. She made 6 figures in 45 days. Did she stop right there? Nope. She flipped that $114,000 to $522,000 in 60 days. She's been able to cash flow over $600,000 trading in the Forex markets. And guess what she did this month? She went out and she bought her dream car. Yes, you see it. She bought a 2020 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Yes, she did. You see that gray lac color right there. That was definitely a boss move. She also bought a Toyota SUV because she's not going to be driving that Ghost every single day. And even though these are big money wins, we have a lot of people that are making an extra $100, $500, $1,000 a month trading in markets. So these results may not be your results. I'm just showing you what is possible with a made-up mind through real people who got real results. So how can you get in the game? There are 2 ways that you can play. Now, the first option is with our income shifting membership, which gives you your own home-based business. You the boss now. You're going to get business and personal finance education. You're going to get debt elimination and budgeting tools to manage your money. You're going to get a retirement strategist so you'll know how much money you need to be investing every month to be able to retire early and rich. You're going to get stock education to build $1 million portfolio. You're also going to learn how to income shift your W-4 so that you can get a pay raise. You're going to get the tax advantages of a home-based business, because in my econ, we're going to teach you how to write off cell phone bills, how to get the home office deduction, how to get reimbursement on meals, how to get reimbursement on car mileage, how to get reimbursed on travel, even how to hire your child in your business and write off up to $12,000 per child. We're going to give you a cash flow manager software so that you're IRS compliant. We're going to give you credit repair education so you can boost your credit score. I'll even show you how to set up an LLC and build business credit. Plus, you're going to get an e-commerce website so that you can make even more money. What you're also going to be able to do is learn how to brand yourself on social media as a personal finance coach without having to beg family and friends to support your business. I have literally built a 6-figure financial literacy business from the comfort of my home with just a laptop and a phone. And I can teach you how to do it too. All this is valued at over $5,000. And you can get started today for just $39.95. You can try us out for 30 days. If we don't put you in the right way of money, you can cancel, no questions asked. But I'm confident in knowing that once you learn this money game, you're going to keep your business open for only $39.95 a month. It is a no-brainer. That's $1.16 a day to keep your business open and have access to our investment groups. The second option is the elite membership. This is for people who want to fire their boss, who want to get money and lay out on the beaches of the world, because this membership gives all the bells and whistles of the income shifting membership. but we like to catch a bag and flights. So this includes the My Econ travel portal, and it's called Elevation Travel. See, we get to book hotels, resorts, cruises, vacations, and up to 70% discount. Plus, we get free points for every trip we book that we can use for future travel. See, everybody knows I love going to Vegas. It's my second home. I love to stay at the Cosmo because I love the wraparound balconies and the fountain view. If I was to book 4 nights through Priceline, it will cost me $1,303. But with Elevation Travel, I only paid $813, saving $488. Plus, I earned 1,200 credits for my next getaway. So you see, do this right here, relaxing in the Dominican Republic and placing a Forex trade under the sun. You also see Felicia Cox here in Cabo making $556 trading and traveling, right? By the time we get back home, our entire vacations are paid for. You need this in your life. Now, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more gold on you, because if you say yes, I will also give you access to my stock options course and binary options course. And I'm going to teach you how to get all this money. For how much? $99.95. And then $54.95 a month. That's $1.83 a day to operate a financial literacy education business and learn how to multiply your money through trading and investing. Nobody is going to give you this type of value for $54.95 a month. Nobody. We in a class all by ourselves. So whoever invited you to watch this video, get back to them and just say yes. They're going to send you a link so that you can get signed up, get your business open, and you can start learning how to trade today. Until then, thank you for your time and have an amazing day.